Hi, my name is Denisa. I will talk about my opinion about smoking in campus area. Smoking on campus area should be limited and designed area to balance personal freedom and community health. While individuals have the right to choose whether to smoke, secondhand smoking can harm and create an unhealthy environmental for students and staff. By providing specific smoking zones far away from crowded area, campus can reduce health risks, keep the ground cleaner, and promote a respectful atmosphere for everyone.
Hi guys, let's get to know about the present continuous. Let's understand the material on the present continuous. First, we have the conversation here. Person 1 said, "What are you doing?" And the other person answered, "I'm working on my homework. What about you?" The person 1 answered it, "I'm studying for the test tomorrow." Take a look at the sentence structure in the conversation above. You probably use it frequently in everyday conversation, right? In English, the sentence from above represents basic grammar that's still part of the tense, namely the present continuous. And now we go to the main material we're talking about. What is present continuous tense? The meaning of present is the present time. So, the meaning of present continuous tense is a tense form that you can use to explain something or state that is happening now or is it in progress. It is also used to talk about temporary situation or future plan. In this slide, I have a basic structure. It's subject plus am is are plus verb ing. For example is 1. I'm reading book. 2. She is playing tennis. 3. They are studying English. The next one we have verb ing rules. First, add ing. Work, working. 2. Drop e plus ing. Make, making. 3. Double the final constant plus ing. Run, running. 4. I-E, ing. Y, lying. Now, let's be getting to know how to form the present continuous. First, positive. The form is subject plus to be, am is are plus verb ing. Example, she is talking. 2. Negative. The form is subject plus to be plus not plus verb ing. Example is she is not talking. The last is question. The form is to be plus subject plus verb ing. The example is she talking? In this slide, we will talking about adverbs of time in the present continuous tense. First one, we have adverb of time at the time of speaking, like now, right now, at the moment, at present. The second one, we had adverb of time around the time of speaking, like this year, this month, this week, this semester. When to use the present continuous? First, actions happening now. Second, temporary situation. Third, talk the action around the time of speaking. Fourth, a new pattern or habit. 5. Future plans. Let's describe when to use the present continuous one by one. The first one, we have action happening now. What is action happening now? The sentence functions to indicate an action that is currently taking place. Number 2, we have temporary situations. This function can be used to describe an event that lasts for a relatively long time, but not temporarily. 3, we had talk the action around the time of speaking. This tense can be used to describe an activity that occurs around the time of speaking. 4, a new pattern or habit. The tense can be used to highlight the contrast between the old and the new. You can see the example on the slide. And last but not least, number 5, future plans. You can use the present continuous tense to talk about plans that will definitely happen in the near future. On this slide, we have present continuous example. The first one, we have positive sentence. You can see at the slide, the example number 1 is he is cooking dinner for us. 2, I'm writing a letter to my friend, and others. The second one, we had negative sentence. First example is I am not watching TV right now. 2, she is not wearing her glasses today, and others. The third one or the last one is interrogative sentence. For example is she studying for the test tomorrow? The second is are we going to the beach this week? And others. And this slide I will example when cannot the present continuous tense be used. Don't use the present continuous for all events that occur in the present that occur normally or over a long period of time and repeatedly. For example, like I play the piano every morning. What tense is the sentence that uses the verb of time every? You guys know? Yeah, the sentence above is in the simple present tense, so you cannot change it to I am playing the piano every morning. Here's we got the verbs that cannot be used in the present continuous tense. Not all verbs in English can be used in the present continuous tense. Many verbs don't describe an action or movement, so they cannot be added with ing. These verbs are known as static verbs, or the opposite of dynamic verbs. And the last but not least on this slide, I have verbs that cannot be used in the present continuous. The example, okay? The first one we have perception and sensation. The second we have cognition, emotion, attitude. Third we have having and being. Fourth we have stance. And fifth we have other static verbs. Okay guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much and see you guys later. Bye bye.